Hello and good day, this is Explain That, and this is a guide on how to add multiple links on your Instagram bio on mobile. So let's get started. First, open up your Instagram. Make sure to already log in, and then click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Just tap on your edit profile, and then behind there, below the bio, you can see the links. Tap on it and it will redirect you to this type of UI. You can just add an external link on however or how many that you want. Make sure that what you're typing is correct and should be noticeable in the URL itself, as if it is wrongly inputted, it will redirect you or give you a 404 error. So double check, and just in here you can also reorder the link by just tapping the blue three dotted in the top right. Choose whatever you want to become on top whenever people click on your links, and that should be it. This explained that, and you've successfully done on how to add multiple links on your Instagram bio on mobile. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.